Ochi Explosion, the debut event under the Leng Events Management banner, was by the promoter's account a success.
It's not customary for a promoter after the first staging of an event to already be seeking to expand the venue, but this is the case with Javon Leng and Ochi Explosion. An overwhelming crowd turned up at Margaritaville for the Rumfire title-sponsored event, and all artists on the lineup and then some showed up and exploded the venue with musical bombs.
I'm proud to say it has been a success, as you can see. Took a lot of work and dedication, but nothing comes easy. So definitely prove that tonight. I have to give thanks to that.